Now I'm gonna check something, guys, because I'm about to spray the insulation. I got something in the spray cans, and I'm gonna spray it all over here. And I already sprayed it here. Look, it's only one coat, and then I'm gonna put some other insulation on top of that, and then the interior. I don't know, should I do it now? I think so. Let's bring it and spray it. And I got a few cans of this thing, so let's spray it on, all of it. But this time I'm gonna wear the mask. All right, fellas, let's spray this thing on. All over here, maybe here, but right here first. All over the sleeper. Let's start with this one right here. All right, first coat. There was something similar already here. Look at this. I have to move the wires. Wow! So only 2 volts with the first can. And I got only 6. Alright. So maybe it's not gonna be enough here. I'm gonna have to buy more. I think I'm gonna have to buy more. Alright, second can. Nothing inside. Okay, the third one. And it doesn't even smell that bad. Let's hope it dries and it won't smell at all. Okay, but it's dripping on me. Whew. Good. Wow. I'm freaking out with the... Hold on, fellas. It's dripping everywhere. Wow. Woo. And the third one is almost gone. Whew. So I only have enough for the sleeper and only one coat. I gotta buy much more. This one is gone too. It does smell, but not too bad. Painting the car was much worse than this. So I only have two more, guys. I think it's the sleeper and that's it. and one coat. Or I can buy more Boom Med spray on coating. These are very light coats, guys. Maybe it looks like I'm spraying, but no. And there's not a lot. It should cover 20 square feet. So, about right. Okay, so I got a little left right here, so I'll do it. Maybe I spray down here a little bit too. So. Because it's dripping, I don't really want this to drip here. Shoot. So maybe I won't do it just yet because it is dripping. So maybe I put the kill mat here. I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna put a kill mat here, I think, and not this, because I'm gonna have to remove the seats or at least bring something and cover because it's dripping. So I'm gonna have everything here. Look, you see this? You see this here? Look, and look at me. I'm all covered with this freaking oh. Okay guys, I'm done here. That's it. Now I'm gonna put the insulation here, like the one that you can buy in a store or something, or kill mat, but I'm not gonna spend all the kill mat here. I'm just gonna buy something and in a store cut big pieces and put it in, and then the interior. Can't wait to drive this thing. Next day, fellas, I'm back here. I'm gonna remove this little panel over there. I got some paper to cover the seats and the dashboard, and I got one more can left, so I'm gonna spray this thing. And I think I'm gonna put kill mat after all anyway, just here. So I got only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I need another hand. Alright fellas, let me put this paper all over here and spray this thing. Here, I got this half first, so let me spray this half. Now I'm gonna move the papers, because if I put the papers all over here, I'm not going to be able to walk over it. Oh, and the wind. Oh, shoot. So, now it's not going to move. Alright. Let's start spraying. I think that's it from this side. Alright guys, I did as much as I could with this one can, and I'm gonna put kill mat over here anyway, so it's nice. That's it for a Cabover in this video fellas. Take care.